Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set up the Bookmarklet. It's very simple. It looks more complicated than it is, but what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and copy the Bookmarklet code. Then you're going to go up here on the Bookmarklet bar, and you're going to right-click it, say Add Page, and we'll call this Bookmarklet. You can name it whatever you want, but for the URL, it's important that you paste the code that we just copied right here. And we're going to click on Save. Alright, so now we technically have the Bookmarklet installed. I'm going to go ahead and put it up here for easy access. And I have created a test page up here. It's not going to work exactly the same, but this is just to show you how it works. Alright, so you're on a task page. You have to be on a task page for it to work. Otherwise, it won't know what it's looking for. And we're going to go ahead and click on the bookmarklet we just created. And it should open up a window. Now this window, depending on your setup, it might appear behind the screen. So if you want it to be on top, you should find a software that puts windows on top. Or if you don't really care about the window, you can just leave it there. But you could also right-click it, and you can click on Show as Tab. And it shows it as a tab, and you can just put it right on the side. So then you fill out the task. So, la-di-da, you're filling out all the form. And then you're going to click on Submit. So imagine this is the task page. So when you submit it, all right, so it's submitted. It just submits to the same page because it's just a test. But as you see, the information gets placed right here. So let's say we want to start on another task. Well, we have to click it again. So we have to click it on the beginning of each task because it does lose connection on submit. So we're going to click it again. And as you see, the timer is going. It started another timer. And if we click submit again, now we see there's two. So let's start another task. And then we'll submit our task. And now there's three. So you just keep doing it. You keep pressing the bookmarklet at the beginning of each task. And then when you submit on the task, it also adds the fields onto the TickyTimer page. So it's pretty simple. You have to get into a habit of starting the task each time. But at the moment, that's the best that we have. So just make sure you're clicking on it at the beginning of each task. All right, and that concludes the tutorial.